All right. So I've had fried chicken in the United States. I've had fried chicken in Asia. And so I think I'm gonna try fried chicken here in Latin America, in South America. I'm gonna try it in Colombia. I'm gonna see how the fried chicken is in Colombia. ¿Otra vez? Es que mi español es malo. Oh, un menú. Gracias. Everything looks good. I think I'm gonna just go for this. This is like 2 pieces of chicken, 3 arepas. ¿Puedes explicar? Es two presas, two pieces.
Dos presas.
Dos presas. ¿Qué es eso?
Pechuga a la mulo contra mulo. Las presas que él
Es que
yo tengo un bilingüe acá.
es que estoy buscando 3 pollos y papas fritas y ya. Que no, pero no sé en dónde.
Un cuarto, 2 presas y agranda una más por 3.600.
Ok.
Sí.
Sí.
Y entonces sería un cuarto para consumir acá. ¿Y con de tomar qué me dijo? Gaseosa.
Oh, just un agua.
Agua, no
Just
tenemos
un agua, sí.
Me costaría 16.300.
Ah, está bien. I don't know. I have no idea what I ordered. I was just like, hey, I just want like 3 pieces of chicken and some fries. And they said something, and I was like, okay, yeah, just give me that. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, it just came out. Here's the chicken. Ooh, look at that, right in the sunlight. It looked like a thigh, maybe 2 thighs. So I got dark meat basically, 2 thighs and a leg, and it came with 3 arepas, which is like their bread. All right, y'all. I'm going in first bite. Gotta start off with a leg. Here's what it looks like. No sauce, just straight leg. All right, Colombia. The skin isn't super crunchy, but it's super good. It's super tender. It's different. Oh, look at that. It's super juicy too. Look at all that juice. Ooh. Yes, but this time I'm gonna put a little sauce on it. Put a little barbecue sauce. Ooh wee, here comes the thigh, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at that white meat. Look at all that juice. Ooh. Dipping in there. Oh man. That's some good fried chicken right there. I got it plain. I think they gave me plain. I wanted spicy, but it's okay. It still worked out. It's just so tender, man. Like literally. It takes no effort. It takes no effort to bite into this chicken. It is so tender. All right, the verdict. I would say Colombia has some good fried chicken. There's some really good stuff. Some of the most tender fried chicken I've had. Like I said, I'm used to real crunchy, but Colombia, yeah. There's some good stuff. So Colombia for fried chicken. But that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys at the next one.